Have you ever looked at the moon and thought it's just a cold, lifeless rock floating in space? Well, what if I told you the moon once had raging volcanoes, fiery eruptions, and flowing lava seas? That's right, our moon wasn't always so calm and quiet. Welcome to a journey back in time when the moon was a world of ancient lunar fire. Today, when we see the moon through our telescopes or with the naked eye, we notice those dark patches covering its surface. They're called maria, meaning seas in Latin. But they're not filled with water. They are giant lava plains, the scars left behind by massive volcanic eruptions billions of years ago. Scientists believe the moon's volcanic activity peaked between 3 and 4 billion years ago, a time when its interior was still hot and molten. During this period, enormous rivers of lava spread across the surface, solidifying into the flat, dark regions we see today. So how do we know volcanoes existed on the moon? Samples brought back by the Apollo missions revealed basaltic rocks, the same kind formed by volcanic eruptions on Earth. Spacecraft orbiting the moon have mapped lava channels, domes, and even collapsed tubes, clear evidence of volcanic landscapes. And here's the fascinating part. Some of these volcanoes weren't explosive like Mount Vesuvius, but rather slow, steady flows of lava that reshaped huge regions of the moon. But here's where things get even more intriguing. Scientists once thought all lunar volcanoes went extinct over 1 billion years ago. However, new data from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has discovered small volcanic features that may be as young as 100 million years old. Now, 100 million years might sound like ancient history, but in cosmic terms, that's practically yesterday. If true, it means the moon's interior stayed warmer for much longer than we thought, and volcanic activity might have lingered far more recently. So, what fueled these lunar volcanoes? In the early days, the moon's molten interior released massive amounts of heat. Impacts from giant asteroids may have cracked the crust, allowing lava to gush out and flood vast areas. Impacts from giant asteroids may have cracked the crust, allowing lava to gush out and flood vast areas. Over time, the moon cooled down, and without plate tectonics like Earth, its volcanoes gradually fell silent. Over time, the moon cooled down, and without plate tectonics like Earth, its volcanoes gradually fell silent. Understanding lunar volcanism isn't just about history, it has real implications for the future. Lava tubes created by ancient eruptions could provide natural shelters for astronauts, protecting them from radiation and meteorite impacts. Some scientists even suggest these caves could one day host human colonies on the moon. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember, you're not just seeing craters and gray dust. You're looking at a world that once burned with fire and fury, reshaped by volcanoes that rivaled anything on Earth. Could there still be a little heat left in the moon's core? Maybe, just maybe, the story of lunar fire isn't completely over. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space mysteries.